मोहम्मद अलीम हमारे पास यूके से तशरीफ़ लाए। इनकी ट्रिपल वेसल डिजीज़ थी, कार्डियोपाथी थी, शुगर थी और दिल इनका कमज़ोर था। इनकी ECP मुकम्मल की हमने, एक सेशन रोज़ाना 35 दिन के साथ की। काफ़ी सिम्टोमेटिक थे। मैं उनसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा अलीम साहब से कि वो खुद अपनी लैंग्वेज में हमारे व्यूअर्स को बताएं कि हाउ ही इज़ ना आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग योर ट्रीटमेंट।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, thank you very much, Dr. Sabla, for your hospitality and your help. I was suffering with my disease and in the UK, finding it very difficult walking and out of breath. Since I've been here, Dr. Saab and all his team have been very welcomed and they have looked after us very well. I've just completed my 35 sessions. And Alhamdulillah, I feel much better. I can even walk for a mile now without puffing and huffing. Mashallah, I recommend everybody to come if the people who have got problems and speak to Dr. Saab, and he will always give you good advice, which he did to us as well. Even before I came from UK, I spoke to him over the phone, and his expertise and his advice was incredibly very good. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Basically, this ECP therapy is a non-invasive, non-surgical treatment for those cardiac patients who are not willing for any CABG, bypass surgery, or sometimes the doctors refused him because of his disease. His arteries are not in a position to be grafted, or his left ventricle is dilated with low ejection fraction. He has multiple disease of uncontrolled diabetes mellitus with CKD or uncontrolled hypertension. In these conditions, any procedure is very lethal, very complicated. So such patients are advised, and some of the patients, old age patients who refuses surgery, they are advised to go for this ECP therapy. This is enhanced external counterpulsation. It's basically 1 hour session for 35 days without any break. And it's FDA approved and approved by all the cardiology associations like American Heart Association, American College of Cardiology, European College of Cardiology, Chinese College of Cardiology. They all certified this procedure and approved for the cardiac patients who are symptomatic and often complains of chest pain, shortness of breath, dyspnea, palpitation, chest discomfort, and when the blood supply is improved, these symptoms disappear. And I advised all the patients to visit our clinic situated in Islamabad E112 by the name of Dr. Mehdi Heart and Medical Center, and talk to us and our team, and we will give you very good advice about this treatment. Thank you very much.